Today, we will be demonstrating to you how to create a cherry blossom type nail art. Make sure your cuticles are pushed back, trimmed, and that your nails are all filed evenly to the shape of your desire. Now, when applying your base coat, make sure that each layer is thin and even. Then let it dry before applying your color. For this design, a soft or natural colored platform will be ideal in contrasting the nail art. As you can see, we're using a rose gold shimmer as the base. Once again, make sure each application is thin and even, letting each layer dry before adding on the next coat. Don't worry about getting the polish on your skin. You can always clean it up at the end. After the nail polish has dried, we can start with the branch. Using a black colored polish on a very thin nail art brush, drag it across the nail, whichever direction you want, and stop near the end of the nail, not all the way. Add extensions to your main branch. Try not to make the branch straight. The more crooked it is, the better. This will give it its natural look. Next will be the cherry blossom flowers. Using a white colored polish, paint out a droplet-shaped petal and arrange them together to form a flower. You could do 4 petals or 5 petals, 3 or 2. Do a combination with different sizes and spread them about on the branch. Try not to make them look perfect. The less perfect it is, the more perfect it looks. Ironic, right? Next up is to add definition to each petal. This will be done by dabbing on pink-colored polish on top of each white petal. Then, using your black color once more, add in black dots on the middle area of your flowers. Again, it doesn't need to be perfect. It's prettier and more natural this way. Take your white polish and add in random dots around the sides of your flowers and the branch. This will represent the buds of the cherry blossom. Repeating the same process earlier, apply the pink polish on top of the white dots. This will give depth to the flower sprouts. Next up are the leaves. Take your green colored polish and paint out a soft diamond-shaped piece next to the flower. Place them in between the petals. Scatter the leaves around and try not to add too many of them. They are only an accent part of the design. Lastly, after polishing the rest of your nails, apply the top coat for a shine finish. And there you have it, a cherry blossom nail art. In Van Nuys, California, Jehan Yap, Digital Nest. We live in interesting times.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to EBC Digital Nest to find purpose in the simple joys of life.